Hello and welcome to Reviews of Ryan. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing video. My brother-in-law gave me some DVDs that he didn't want anymore and he didn't have the space for, and so he gave me this big old box. So I'm going to go through these and I have no idea what's in this box and share with you what I got. Before I go through this unboxing video, if you like movie reviews and Blu-ray hauls, you're in the right spot. Hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and comment what kind of movies have you gotten lately. Now without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Alright, so the first film is The Pacifier with Vin Diesel. My son's seen this, I've seen it once, and it's not a bad movie. Sex and the City 2. I've never seen the first one, and I've never seen the show. Not sure how I feel about that movie. Are We There Yet? I haven't seen this one either. I've obviously heard of it, but I've never watched it. The first Sex and the City. Again, I've never watched the show, so I don't know how I feel about those movies. The Help. I've seen this once, and I actually own this one on DVD already, so extra copy. Dr. Dolittle. This is actually a classic. I actually like this film with Eddie Murphy. He's really great. The Big Wedding. I've seen this and I actually own it. I love Amanda Seyfried. If you don't know, she's my favorite actress. We got Christmas with the Cranks. I actually like this. I've seen it once. Cheaper by the Dozen. I actually like this movie too. It's pretty solid. Don't own that one. We got Cheaper by the Dozen 2. And I know I've seen this a couple times. It's a pretty solid film. We got season 5 of Bates Motel. I've never watched this show, but I think I'm probably gonna have to watch the other ones if I'm going to watch that season. And we got Step Up. I don't know about this one. I've never watched it before. We got Step Up to the Streets. Step Up 3. We got The Proposal with Ryan Reynolds. I've seen this before. This is not a bad film. We got The Backup Plan. Just gonna say Jennifer Lopez is not one of my favorites, but maybe I'll check that out. The Green Lantern. I remember this film, how much people hated it. It's been a while since I've watched it. Eagle Eye. This is actually a solid film. I've seen it a few times. It's actually pretty good. I actually already own this one. This one's actually sealed with The Wolf of Wall Street. I just got this on Steelbook. Going on 30, excuse me. The Lucky One. White House Down. I remember this film. This is actually pretty action-packed. Remember there was another one they did that year. I forget what the name of it is now, but it was actually pretty good. My Big Fat Greek Wedding 2. I've never seen the first one. I actually already own this movie, but Pitch Perfect. I actually like the first one the best. The second one was kind of eh, and the third one was absolutely terrible. Oh, I love this movie, The Blind Side. This is one of my favorite football movies, and I'm a little biased because the guy used to be on the Ravens, and as you guys know, I'm a Ravens fan. We got Life as We Know It. This is actually a really good film. Definitely a touching kind of film. The Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants. I've seen this before. I actually just bought this the other day on 4K, but Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. This is a classic one. Got a few more. Safe Haven. I've seen this before. It's been a while. All right, we got 7 more. Daddy Daycare. I actually already own this. I think it's funny. Star Wars: The Last Jedi. I've only ever seen one Star Wars movie ever, so I hope this one's good. It's like Star Wars: The Trilogy. I'm gonna have to check these out because I have not watched most Star Wars films. Definitely have to check them out. 27 Dresses. Don't think I've watched that one before. I can't remember. I actually have the whole series of this, but The Wild Thornberrys. Bride Wars. And wrap it up, I actually just watched this a couple months ago. Hairspray. This is actually a pretty solid movie. I actually enjoyed it on Netflix. And that's the last movie. Thank you guys for tuning in on this unboxing. And hopefully in the future I'll have some more things like this on the channel. And I'll see you guys on my next review.